Google has just launched a brand new tool called Stax. And let me tell you, this update could completely change the way developers test and evaluate AI models. Right now, most people test AI by simply trying out a prompt, checking the response, and then making a judgment based on how it feels. This process is often called vibe testing. But here's the problem: AI doesn't always give the same answer every day, right? That means one day you might get a perfect response, and the next day it might sound completely off. So, relying on the gut feeling or random checks is unreliable and inconsistent. That's exactly why Google introduced Stax. It's designed to remove all the guesswork and replace it with a clear, structured, and repeatable way of testing AI. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. I will explain what Stack actually is, how it works, why it matters for the future of AI, and even how you can start using it for yourself. So now let's talk about what exactly is Stax. Stax is a new developer tool created by Google that helps people test, compare, and evaluate AI models in a much more organized and reliable way. Instead of just guessing which prompt works best or trying things randomly, Stax gives you a proper system where everything can be tested step by step. The main goal of Stax is very clear. It wants to make AI testing repeatable, data driven, and customizable. Repeatable means if you test something today and again tomorrow, you should be able to get consistent results instead of random outcomes. Data driven means your decisions are based on real numbers, ratings, and comparisons, not just feelings or opinions. And customizable means you can adjust the testing to match your own needs, whether you want to check turn, accuracy, safety, or any other specific requirement. This tool has been developed by Google AI together with DeepMind, which is Google's advanced AI research company, and Google Labs, which is known for experimenting with innovative projects. So it's not just another small update, it's the combined work of some of the top AI teams in the world, right? Now let's go step by step through the key features of Stack. First, there is Quick Compare. This feature lets you test two different prompts or two different AI models side by side. You put in the same input and instantly see both answers next to each other. This makes it much easier to notice which one sounds more accurate, helpful, or natural. Instead of guessing, you can directly compare results and decide which approach works better. Next, we have projects and datasets. Think of projects as folders where you organize your test, and datasets as the collection of prompts or examples you want to check. You can start small by testing one or two inputs, or you can scale up by uploading a whole list of real world examples. This way, you don't just test one case, you test across many, which gives you a much clearer picture of how the AI actually performs, right? Then there are autorators. These are like automatic judges that score the AI's responses. Stax comes with built-in evaluators that can check things like fluency, safety, or tone. For example, you can see if the AI is polite, avoids harmful content, or matches the style you want. The best part is that you can also create your own rules. So, if your company has specific standards, like always include a source, you will set up an autorator to check that every time. Another powerful feature is human plus LLM based evaluation. Some things are best judged by real people, while others can be checked quickly by an AI. Stacks combines both. Humans can review tricky or sensitive cases, and AI judges can handle large batches of tests. This balance gives you both the speed of automation and the careful insight of human feedback. Stacks also provides analytics and insights. After you run your evaluations, it gives you clear reports that show trends and comparisons. You can see which model or prompt performs best, where errors keep happening, and whether your changes are improving things over time. Instead of relying on opinions, you get data you can trust. Finally, Stacks is reusable and scalable. Once you set up your evaluations, you don't need to rebuild everything from scratch each time. You can reuse the same test whenever you update your AI model, create new prompts, or launch a new version of your app. This consistency helps you maintain quality as you grow and saves a lot of time in the long run. Now that we know what Stacks is and what it offers, let's look at how it actually works step by step. The first step is to add your API key. By default, you can use Google's own Gemini models, but Stacks also supports other major providers or even your own custom AI models if you have built one. The API key simply allows Stax to connect with these models and start generating outputs. Once that's set up, the next step is to create a project. A project is like a container for your testing. You can choose between a single model project where you test one model or one prompt at a time, or a side by side project where you directly compare two different setups to see which one performs better, right? After creating a project, you will need to build a data set. This is the list of prompts or user questions you want to test. You can type in a few examples manually if you are just starting small, or you can upload a CSV file with lots of real production data if you already have it. Stax saves all of these examples inside your project, so you are building a proper evaluation benchmark. The next step is to generate outputs. Here, Stax runs your datasets through the chosen AI model and gives you all the responses. You can check them one by one and see how the AI is handling different inputs. Once you have outputs, it's time to run evaluations. You can either give manual human ratings, like marking whether an answer feels helpful, accurate, or off topic. You can use automated evaluators powered by AI itself. Stacks comes with built-in evaluators for common things like following instructions, fluency, or safety. But the really powerful part is that you can also build your own custom evaluator that matches your product's unique needs. Finally, you check the results in the dashboard. Stacks gives you detailed reports with both individual courses and overall metrics. You can see which answers worked well, where the AI struggled, and even compare two different models head to head. It also tracks important details like accuracy, quality, and even response speed. This way, instead of guessing, you now have hard data to decide which prompt or model is the best for your use case. And the best part, once you have built this dataset and your evaluators, you can reuse them anytime. That means if you switch to a new model, update your system prompt, or test an AI agent setup, you don't have to start from scratch. You can simply rerun the same evaluation and instantly see how things stack up. So that was the complete breakdown. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are interested in AI. It really helps the channel grow and it lets me bring you more updates like this one in the future.